into part 2 of 9 to 5, the finale. Let's go to our finishing position of part 1. We did our pirouette and went up, down, ba-ha. So we're in this position and we're going to go forward, back, forward, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really easy, right? Now we're going to swing our body to face the left. And our weight is in the left leg. Right leg is free. We're going to go forward, back, forward, back, forward, turn. Okay? All right, fear not. So we just had boom, boom, ha, boom, back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, turn around. So, what in the world are our legs doing? This leg basically just pivots from toe to heel. So we go forward, it comes up to our toe, then it goes back to our heel. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we got some hip stuff going on. So really wake up those hips. Think of Zumba, Spanish, Latin dancing, and wake up those hips and have some fun with it. So, pa, do, ha. Forward, back, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, turn. Now with that turn, you can turn on your toes, on your heels, you can do steps. Make it work for you. What it is on that last forward, back, my foot reaches all the way around. I tend to turn on my heels in that moment. You can go on your tiptoes, work with your body. Your hand is starting low, 1 and 2. In middle, and high, and around. So let's do that from the top. We just want boom, boom, ha, boom, boom. And forward, back, and forward, back, forward, around. Step, click, forward leg steps forward, point, okay? So we just did our last, our arms up here, 1 and spin around, step, click, step forward, point. We're gonna walk 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's go from the beginning of that new part. So we're on the last one of these, our arm is high, forward, turn around, step, click, step, point, and walk, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go from the top of the new section. So, boom, boom, ha, over here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, around, step, click, point, and a walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. And on this one, it changes the music a bit. It's like, wah! And we're gonna go, sha! So this leg steps in as arms explode. Are you okay? Let's try it from the very top of our new section. Ba, ba, ha, ooh, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Da, 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 da. Around, step, click, step, point, and a walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try with the music. down, ba, ha. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and around. Step, click, click, point, point, and walk. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, when we're here, we're gonna lasso. Lasso with your hand, lift your leg. Up, and step, tap, step, tap. We just went 7, 8, 9, 2, 5. Lasso, step, touch, step, touch. Try that again. We're here. We bend up 8, 9, 2, 5. So when we are here, left arm's going over right and to left. Right arm's going over the left, up to the right. So we bend, leg comes in. We lasso our hand as our foot comes up. Step, tap, step, tap. Then we go grapevine, 2, 3, heel and heel, and grapevine, 2, 3, heel and heel. If you're not familiar with what a grapevine is, it is side behind side step. But we're gonna miss out that step and jump it to a heel. Let me show you. I just went step, tap, and grapevine, 2, and heel, grapevine, 2, 3, and heel. Okay? That makes sense? Let's try it again. We're here, 8, 9, 2, 5. Lasso, step, touch, grapevine, heel, and heel, heel, and heel. Step, tap, arms in front. Then step to second, up, and goes, get up, get up, get up, get up, head, knee, forward. Get up, get up, get up, get up, boom, boom. So it's like da 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 da. Do da 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 da, boom, boom. Da 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 da, boom, boom. 1, step, lift this left foot with your hand. 9, 2, 5, back, back, arms come up, boom. All right, we're here, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, tap, tap, grapevine, 2, and heel, side, behind, and heel, step, tap, get up, get up, get up, get up, boom, boom, get up, get up, get up, get up, boom, step, 2, 5, boom, boom, 1, 9, 2, 5, yeah. So bring it up, and you point on your wrist. Should we try it with the music? Not too high. Down, and run it